Did you know that one of the world's greatest footballers almost chose a career in dairy farming? Meet Kaka Leite, the Brazilian legend who turned heads on the football field. From humble beginnings, Kaka dreamed of playing for the best clubs in the world. Despite facing a serious injury early in his career, he never gave up. Kaka's dedication paid off when he won the FIFA World Player of the Year in 2007. He played for top teams like AC Milan and Real Madrid, inspiring millions with his skill and sportsmanship. Kaka's journey teaches us that with passion and perseverance, we can achieve our dreams against all odds.